Guys, the video had cut off. So this is, I finally got the piece out of the radiator. So this is the piece that I'm gonna put in now. And then I'm gonna fit up the radiator and show you guys what's going on. So you guys just can stay with me, all right? You guys soon see what we did from what we didn't do. All right, guys. So I got the piece that goes to the radiator in. All right. So I'm gonna fit up back the radiator to the pipe, and then I'm gonna show you guys what went on. All right. You guys just stay with me. All right, guys. You see, I connect up by the new valve. Right. I'm turning it back on now. So now we should get heat. Once I turn up back the thermostat, we'll get heat. So this is the new valve. And also, this is the new air valve back there on that side. Right? So once the heat comes up, everything will be fine. You know? Everything will be good. So that's it for that. That's completed, and we're good to go. I just put a little bit more tightening on it, so just to make sure that everything is good. And that's it, guys. It's ready to go. You know, I'm going to turn up back the thermostat and give it about half an hour. Wait till the heat comes up and check, make sure that there's nothing leaking. And that's it. I'm done for today. I'm finished with this little job here, all right? So you guys just stick and stay with me, all right? Until I finish doing what I'm doing, all right? And again, this is OSTV_T7J, and I'm asking you guys to please share up the video, comment on the video, and give the video a thumbs up, all right? Appreciate you guys so much. Bye-bye.